In the previous video, I showed how single bumps propagating on the wave machine could combine to make a bigger bump. That process is called constructive interference. I also showed how single bumps propagating on the wave machine could partially cancel to make a smaller bump. That process is known as destructive interference. In this video, we're going to look at interference between entire wave trains propagating in opposite directions. So first, what do I mean by a wave train? Well, let's say that I repeatedly shake one end of the wave machine. You can see that when I repeatedly shake one end of the wave machine, I create a whole train of up and down bumps propagating from one end to the other. Now I'm going to do that again. When I do this again, you're going to see that that initial train of bumps I create is going to start out propagating from left to right, but then reflect off of the right side and then propagate back towards the left. So let me show you that. So here's that initial train. Okay. So watch how the initial train starts over here on the left, comes to the right, and then reflects back. Okay. So I hope you were able to observe that reflection where the wave train starts out propagating to the right, then reflects, and then propagates back towards the left. Now here's why I bring that up. So I'm going to do the experiment again, but this time focus your attention on the right end of the wave machine over here, where the right going train and the left going train overlap and interfere with each other. Again, did you notice that over here in the region where the right going train and the left going train overlapped, we had a pattern of bumps where the bumps did not seem to be traveling leftward or rightward, but rather the bumps were just going up and down in place. Let me show you that again. So I hope you could see that in this region here, the overlap of the right going wave train and the left going wave train led to a pattern of bumps where the bumps were going up and down in place without any apparent propagation in one direction or the other. On the board here, I've summarized what I showed you in the demonstration. If you take a right going wave train and combine it with a left-going wave train through wave interference, what you get is a standing wave pattern where the bumps simply go up and down in place without appearing to propagate one way or the other. In the next few videos, we're going to be diving deeper into the study of standing waves.